Hello everyone, Thiago here from UpTech. Today I'm excited to unbox with you guys the GeForce RTX 5070 from NVIDIA. But before going to that, I would like to thank you everyone who have already subscribed to our channel and provide me with like essential feedback for this video. So without further ado, let's get started. On the front, we've got a full image of the card, triple fan design, and also the GeForce RTX 5070 NVIDIA branding. On the back, we will find more technical information about this GPU. More on that later in this video. Let's open it. The inside box has this nice matey black color with the ASUS logo on top. First off, we got the essential documentation. Let's put it on the side. ASUS always packs this securely. And there it is, the ASUS Prime RTX 5070, wrapped in an anti-static protection. Inside the box, you will also find this ASUS Velcro and the power adapter for you to turn it on. Let's put this power adapter on the side. And here you can see in more details the ASUS Velcro that comes in the package. And let's remove it from the anti-static protection. The card has a 2.5 slot design, which means that you will fit it in most ATX or mini ATX cases. It also has 12 gigs of memory, the 4th generation of ray tracing, and DLSS 4. And there it is, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070. Here is in more detail for you. Clean builders will love this GPU. All black and no RGB. So what do you guys think about this version of the RTX 5070? Are you guys excited about this new generation? Are you gonna upgrade? Let me know in the comments below. I see you guys in the next one.